Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Subaru Legacy windshield wipers. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield. Next, you will need to locate the small release tab on the wiper blade connector. Press this tab firmly to disengage the locking mechanism. Then, slide the old wiper blade straight down and off the arm. Once the old blade is off, take your new wiper blade and orient it correctly. The hook on the wiper arm needs to slide into the connector on the new blade. Carefully guide the new blade onto the arm, ensuring it slides smoothly into the U-shaped hook. You should hear a distinct click or feel it lock securely into place, indicating it is properly attached. This ensures the blade will not detach during operation. With the new blade securely attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Do not let it snap down, as this could damage the arm or the glass. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your Subaru Legacy. Once both new blades are installed, it is a good idea to test them. Use your windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. After installation, visually inspect both new blades to confirm they make full and even contact across the windshield surface. For optimal visibility and safety, it is recommended to replace your Subaru Legacy wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice streaking or chattering. Regularly cleaning your windshield also helps extend the life of your wiper blades by reducing abrasive debris.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.